Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, you are not connected to any network error. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset, click Reset Now. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Exit and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type netsh winsock reset. Type netsh int ip reset. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.